Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A23, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will bring us the boot options. There we go. And once you see them, you want to hold the power off. This will then change into this button. So safe mode, tap again to restart your phone in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled or disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. Now, in this mode, basically apps that you download are turned off strictly. So if you have some kind of problems with your device that are catering more towards like software level, so for instance, you maybe develop some app that is just breaking your phone right now because something was wrong with it, you can boot your phone into this mode and get rid of it easily, because that app will not be able to mess around about your phone in any kind of capacity. Now, even some of the default apps that come pre-installed with this device will be turned off, but for the most part, majority of the apps that are like pre-installed right here will function no problem. So things like gallery, camera, clock, contacts, and so on will just function fine without any kind of problem. Now, once you're done with this mode, you can just hold power key and volume down once more, and then select restart when you're in that mode, obviously, to go back to normal one. I just didn't boot into it just to save a little bit time. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.